Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how front end and back end interact using MySQL server. So let's say we have a front end here. That's the HTML and the CSS and the JavaScript, right? Then let's see, this is our back end. This is our back end, like Python using Flask. Then let's see PHP and so on. Let's see, this is our server. This is our SQL server, right? So here is how the front end send data directly to the back end, while the back end will now forward it to the server, right? Let's see server. Then server, after receiving it, it will store it, then send back a message to the back end. Then the back end will now notify the front end, saying your data has been stored. That's how we create. That's how your login page. If you want to log into your TikTok, your Instagram, your YouTube, that's how the data interact using front end, then back end. Then it will be stored in the server. So let's say you create an account. Let's say you create a TikTok account, right? Then if you want to log into your TikTok, they will show you login using email or phone number, right? Then if you, after putting that email, if you put the email, like let's see at gmail.com, right? Then you now, after login, then you put your password. After putting your password, right? After putting your password, that's what you have seen is the front end. Then you now sign in using that sign in, right? Using that sign in, we now send it to the back end. Then the back end will now forward it to the server. The server will now store your information. After storing, after keeping the data, then it will send a message to the back end saying the data has been stored. Then the back end will now notify the front end saying you have logged in successfully. That's how front end and back end interact using MySQL server. Thank you. Follow for more.